Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto and finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, we are coming to you live. It is 8:31 p.m. on the 3rd of July 2023, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely bullish updates coming out about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and the crypto bull market has been finally signaled to be returning, which is really, really good as well. There is a lot to get through. And yes, today is going to be a very long live stream. And yes, this is live. Just to clarify, I am seeing all of your comments. Hello, brother, give me your Rolex. No, I'm not taking it off, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not taking it off. This thing never comes off my wrist, all right? I worked 8 years for this bloody watch. Had my eye on it. But anyway, welcome to the live stream, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning. Greetings from the Netherlands right here. Greed is here. Yes, Greed is here. Gary Gensler resigned. We're going to talk about all of that because it's been going absolutely crazy the last couple of days, especially on Twitter. My Twitter feed's been going absolutely mental. I'm getting a Patek. I love Patek Philippe. Thank you very much. Now, we did have an interesting day today. We went to look at some beautiful cars today, and yeah, it was a really nice day. Just getting ready for the crypto bull market, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get into that in a second. I'll show you the car that I was actually looking at. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Let's get into all the juicy news. There is a lot to talk about, of course, with Ripple and XRP. That is a given. We've got crypto giants now on the move. We've got XRP Whale snapping up $170 million worth of tokens. The community, again, is ablaze with Gary Gensler and this whole resignation, this fake news, which is interesting as well. And of course, that has been debunked, of course, by who? The freaking SEC, which is hilarious. Quite frankly, it's just funny. Anyway, we've got Bitcoin as well updates. We've got Binance as well. Some interesting stuff from a crypto analyst we're going to be going through. And again, a veteran trader, Peter Brandt, right here, spots major breakout on Litecoin. Updates in relation to Shiba Inu and Shibarium as well. And Bitcoin ETFs going absolutely parabolic. And I can safely say I've got literally CNBC live on the TV now, so I can prove that this is a live stream because I get so many freaking comments that this is not a live stream. It is live. I mean, Gary Gensler's on CNBC right now. If you are watching CNBC in the United States or anywhere in the world for that matter, or here in Australia, Gary Gensler's face is literally on CNBC now. Go check. Go check. All right? Legit. Anyway. Thank you to those 150 people currently watching. You guys rock. Anyway, let's get into the video and stream, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along with this incredible journey. Things are about to get freaking wild in this space. And also, if you can give this video and live stream a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. Okay, so make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. I see all of your comments. Those of you watching right now, give it a good old thumbs up. It's down there. It's free. Thank you. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. Do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, okay? So please be careful. Do your own research and due diligence. This video and live stream is for entertainment purposes only. I should say educational and entertainment purposes only. Anyway, that is live for you. And yes, my dog Gucci is going to be running around in the background. I do apologize if she barks, okay? This is live. No BS, this is live. Anyway, let's go straight to the community tab. And yes, I am seeing all of you right now, 188 people so far. Let's get that up. Push that up, guys. I want to get some more viewers here. Anyway, community tab. Let's go here. So yes, today we went to have a look at some cars. Yes, I saw this 488 GTB Ferrari right now, and you have to physically touch something you want. And it's hard for me to explain this, okay? Cryptos are going to go parabolic. We know this for a fact. And again, shout out to Carlo, who works in Melbourne at Ferrari, and thank you for letting me look at this beautiful car and many others. I would love to buy the Ferrari F40 and the LaFerrari, which was sitting there as well, but that belongs to a very important individual, and he doesn't want to sell them, and I want the F40. But anyway, this was today. Incredible cars. This is, one of the toys that I will be buying when crypto goes parabolic. You got to have big goals. Anyway, moving on, we have some bullish stuff about the MACD indicator. And I mean, look, to be quite honest, for those of you who don't know what that is, when the MACD line crosses from the below to the above, the signal line, the indicator is considered bullish. Now, this has obviously been going on for a while. You can see on the MACD indicator right here, ladies and gentlemen, that the green was on the previous bull market right there, 2020, moving on to obviously 2022, the bear market, which, I mean, there's been a lot of issues with everybody and people fudding out and just getting scared in the market. I'm not interested in that because I know the utility and the real world use cases of cryptocurrencies is wild. Has literally just flashed a turn green, on the monthly chart, signaling the start of a bull market. Let's see if everyone actually listens and pays attention to this. Not that it's financial advice, but it's going to be very interesting to see what happens now. Anyway, moving on. Rumors. Gary Gensler, there he is right there. He was literally on the TV, CNBC. And if you're not watching financial news, I suggest you do that. You can get Bloomberg for free. CNBC here in Australia, unfortunately, we have to freaking pay for it, which is annoying. Anyway, guys, there is Gary. Leave your comments about Gary. I want to know what everyone thinks about Gary. I'm watching all of your comments, by the way, so make sure you leave them. I want to see the most incredible comments about Gary Gensler. Anyway, there were rumors circulating around that he actually resigned. And look, to be quite honest with you, this guy's not going to be going, how can I say this? He's not going to be leaving the seat of the chair of the SEC very easily. He's going to go kicking and screaming, that's for sure. Internal investigation. I'm sure he will be investigated. We'll have to keep a close eye on that as well. Crypto day trading. This is something new that I've started in my official Wall Street Bull University Patreon. This is my official Patreon, guys. And again, total profit and loss today was 425 USDT in one night, which is really good. We had some positions open, as you can see right here. All of these are in the Patreon. Small profits. And that's what you need to understand about day trading. This is what I've realized anyway. Small profits many times over. You can't get greedy. 9% right here, 4.3%, 5.6% as well. Small little gains. 13%, I'm happy with that, guys. I really am. But obviously, I've got about 5,000 plus Australian dollars invested in this. So, I mean, that's why I'm getting these kind of returns. But, I mean, practice makes perfect, right? So again, that's in the official Patreon, and yes, it's with OKX because they are an official partner of the channel. Pretty cool right there. And again, these were the altcoins up at 7:15 this morning. I am up early. Can't help it. I cannot sleep in. Anyway, I had the Graph, GRT, Litecoin, Solana, Solargenic, and BTT, which has been doing some pretty wild things the last couple of days, if you haven't noticed on CoinMarketCap. Literally wild things, like down 99%, up 99%. Anyway, just one for the portfolio. And again, SEC sources confirmed Gary Gensler resignation. And I did put this up, which is hilarious. But you can have either of these and only one of them. You can have gold, cash, dividend stocks, property, or crypto. Let me know in the comments. We'll get to them in a second, guys. This is going to be a long stream. Just settle in, everyone. Get your popcorn ready. There's a lot to get through. Anyway, let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy my crypto in Australia. They are also an official partner of the channel. There are referral links below for OKX and for Coinspot, so link is below. Now again, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars and everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. All right, Bitcoin sitting at 46,000 Australian dollars today, up 0.61%. And I know it's a pain and it's very expensive. And in my opinion, the most gains that are going to be made are obviously with these altcoins. But anyway, Ethereum's up 2.48% to $3,000. Bearing in mind, 6 years ago, Ethereum was 97 cents. Go back on CoinMarketCap, have a look at the snapshot. Ridiculous. 6 years ago. XRP's at 74 cents. Still incredibly undervalued in my opinion, knowing the use case. And just to point out as well, the partnership list that I posted on Twitter had around about 750,000 views. Let that one sink in for a moment, okay? This is how big Ripple and XRP actually is, and known more to the point around the world. Anyway, we have Cardano up 45 cents today, 2%, Doge at 10 cents. I am seeing all of your comments. Leave them in the comment. Leave it in the comments if you're still holding Dogecoin. I'm actually curious about that. I mean, I did sell a portion of that and put it into Bitcoin when it was 80 cents Australian dollars, and I put that into Bitcoin. All right, so I'm still holding a decent position in Dogecoin. Now, Litecoin, $170, guys. There's a lot happening with this, and I've been very bullish on it. There is a halving event happening in August as well, so I'm keeping a very close eye on that dollar cost averaging. I've seen some predictions of this going to $1,000, so we'll have to see if that happens, but I don't have any doubt that it will not hit that. Anyway, Solana as well, $30. I bought this when obviously the whole FTX debacle happened as well, and it completely crashed, and I've been wanting to add it in the portfolio for a long time. We have Matic at $1.06. We have BCH at $455. I have been trading this one in the Patreon. A couple of trades today which were profitable. Go and have a look, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. And we have Shiba Inu up 1.71%. Very, very interesting right here. Let me know if anyone's actually holding Shiba Inu. I'm going to get to all your questions at the end. This is a long stream, guys. It's going to be over 40 minutes, I believe. Chainlink, $10 as well. We have XLM at 16 cents. We have ICP up 6.73% to $6.90. And Gucci, my dog's going crazy. So I apologize because this is freaking live. This is hilarious. She's literally going ape shit right now in her bed. Anyway, sorry about that. Hedera, 2.44%, 7 cents. VeChain as well, 3 cents, holding quite nicely above that 3 cent level. It's about freaking time. Quant is at 169. The graph, 30%, 21 cents. 30% is a nice return in 24 hours. Where would you get that in any other asset? It just wouldn't exist. Anyway, Algorand, 19 cents. Moving down, we have some other favorites of mine. Theta at $1.19, up 2.15. We have Axie at 3% today to $9. I'm staking that, earning passive income on Coinspot, 45% APY. Mental. So those staking rewards that I'm receiving in Axie Infinity are going up in value. That's why I love staking as well. Pepe up 17.49%. I do have a trading bot set up in the Patreon, and I'll show everyone that in a moment as well on OKX, which is doing nicely as well. Neo's at $14. Scrolling down, we have Gala up 3.21% to 3 cents. Gucci. Shh. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. This is live. No BS. Anyway, IOTA's up 28 cents. Luna Classic as well. I'm still holding that. And of course, XDC right here at 4 cents. Incredibly undervalued. And we have Casper up 2.39%. Really, really nice. Now, of course, some other altcoins that I'm very bullish on is Reef up 3.83% here to, I mean, look at that. Under it, like 0.002. Incredibly undervalued. And of course, we have XYO, which I've been very bullish on. I got in very early with this one, guys. 0.005. I have accumulated quite a bit of XYO as well. Anyway, let's go to crypto bubbles, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, this is a live stream right here. Thank you to those 287 people watching. It is the 3rd of July. This is no BS, okay? Anyway, the Wall Street Bull University, my official Patreon is linked below. Again, I'll put up on my buys, my sells, my crypto trading bots, my crypto trading indicators, which you can see on my iPad right there. Doing quite nicely as well. Again, my day trading now, which is a new thing that I've just started doing in the Patreon, making some incredible gains I've just showed you before. And more importantly, my dividend stock investing. And I wouldn't be called the Wall Street Bull if I was not invested in Wall Street. Making that very clear. Dividend stocks for me provide cash flow, and I hope and aim to hold these forever, and it will be generational. That provides cash flow every single month. So again, that all goes up in the Wall Street Bull University. And also, the other second most important thing is I love talking with everyone in there directly, as well as these live streams right here. Anyway, join up to the community, guys. It's incredibly bullish. Now, crypto bubbles on the day. We've got a lot going on here, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we've got the graph, 31% on the day. 13 cents at the moment, still up 24% on the week, 6.5% on the month. Really, really nice. 50% on the year. I mean, who doesn't want that? I mean, I've been holding this for a long time, even before the whole Web3 and all of that. I should say the AI came about as well. So again, 13 cents USD. We have Pepe up 18.6% On the day, I'm gonna have some water, guys. Still up 17.4% on the week as well, 41.6% on the month. Now, again, I just want to point out, I'm only trading this like with my crypto trading bots. Shiba Inu had a very, very similar, I should say, launch, where it obviously went parabolic, and then obviously it went quiet for a few months, and then it just had another meteoric rise to the top as well. So again, a massive supply. I'm just trading it, of course. Now, Filecoin right here, 17.8% on the day, 16.3 on the week, currently trading at 4.73 US dollars. Let me know in the comments below if you actually hold Filecoin. I'm really curious about that. Leave your comments in the community tab here. I should say the comments. I'm seeing all of them. There's so many of them, guys. Let's get into it. I'm talking with everyone tonight. It's going to be a long night. We have Stacks up 7%. That's really nice as well. Casper, again, 2.2% at 3 cents right now. This is incredibly undervalued in my opinion. Working with IBM and, of course, Alphabet, or I should say Google, who are incredible, by the way, as well. Moving on, we have ALGO as well. Banking coin up 4.7% to 12 cents, and it's really nice to see these coins moving finally. And where is our favorite? Where is our favorite right here? Let me just try and see if I can find this. Right here it is. It's so freaking small, but XRP. Okay, 1.2% on the day, 0.3 on the week, currently trading at 48 cents USD. What blows my mind is people love to buy assets when things are going crazy. That is not how you invest, in my opinion. Everyone's got their own way of doing things, okay? Obviously, when crypto's going crazy, everyone's buying it at the top, and then they get this, shock of their lives when crypto assets collapse or whatever it may be. This is not how you invest. Again, 48 cents for an asset that's literally partnered with probably, 300 plus banks. I haven't checked the most recent one, but the last one I checked was over 200 plus. So again, working with central banks, governments, institutions, businesses, real estate, NFTs, enormous. Anyway, 48 cents, this is an opportunity of a lifetime in my opinion. Okay, it really is. So I'm dollar cost averaging into it, not rushing in, putting lump sums of cash. Every single week, I just allocate a small amount of money and slowly accumulate more tokens. Okay, that's called dollar cost averaging. Anyway, moving on, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, this is a live stream. I am seeing your comments. Now, Ripple case ruling to have tremendous impact on Bitcoin and crypto, lawyer says. Johnny Deaton, a lawyer and one of vocal proponents of XRP, is convinced that the outcome of the ongoing case between Ripple and blockchain company and the United States SEC will impact the cryptocurrency markets depending on the judge's ruling. We all know this, which is incredibly true. This ruling coming from Ripple is going to have a ripple effect, no pun intended. Anyway, in his assessment, any ruling that... There's Gucci right there, so this is live, right? She's cruising around. So I'm not bullshitting right there, it's actually live. Anyway, sorry guys. In his assessment right here, any ruling that favors Ripple will not only see XRP rally, but other cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Litecoin, and the rest will follow suit. And XRP is a native crypto of the XRP ledger, which the regulator claims is an unregistered security. Ripple used it to raise billions in their initial coin offering ICO, which is BS. Go look up the early angel investors, or I should say the early investors of Ripple. You had Bank of England, you had Bank of America, you had SBI. A lot of venture capital went into Ripple as well. So again, that is absolute BS. And we know for a fact that the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States had advice on XRP, and it is not a security. Plain and simple. It does not meet all 4 prongs of the Howey test. Let that one sink in, Mr. Gensler. Anyway, Deaton basically says the following right here in a July 1st tweet, emphasizes the significance of the case and the ramification it will have on the broader cryptocurrency markets. And the lawyer opines, how the hell do you say that? Anyway, should the presiding judge rule to support the SEC, the current momentum against cryptocurrencies with the backing of politicians will only continue, potentially hindering the growth of the industry in the United States. And he notes how any unfavorable ruling will be bad for other coins, including Bitcoin, which the SEC has clarified as a commodity. It's the same freaking thing as XRP. Idiot, Gary Gensler. Anyway, Judge Torres' decision gets potentially more as each day passes. If it's bad for XRP, notice I said XRP and not Ripple, then the status quo with more political momentum to Gensler, Warren, and Brad Sherman's anti-crypto campaign. But it's great for XRP, then great news for other tokens. Of course it is right now. XRP, and I should say Ripple, is going to save the crypto industry in the United States. Anyway, giants right here, I should say whales. And obviously that's people with a ton of capital buying up $170 million worth of tokens right now, which is wild. And the data shows that whales have taken a keen interest in Ripple and XRP. It is clear from recent moves by whales that the price slump has not deterred them. If anything, the shakers and movers are taking advantage by accumulating heavily, which I would love to do, put a few $1 million in, to be honest with you. Between June 22nd and June 28th, when XRP prices recorded 12% dip, whales bought 360 million XRP worth approximately $170 million. And this highlights the long-term outlook of investors who seem not to be deterred by the short-term price movements. I'm not deterred by short-term price movements. Long-term, you have to think long-term. Now, obviously, again, the fake rumors with Gary Gensler, again, with this so-called investigation as well. This was going parabolic the last few days again. There he is again. I'm just going to bring him up on the screen. Let's just all look at Gary Gensler for a moment. Sorry, I just dropped my microphone. Have a look at Gary Gensler. There he is. Look at him. Do I need to say any more? This is a live stream, by the way. Just look at Gary Gensler. The biggest hypocrite. Just look at him. Anyway, moving on. I'm not going to look at his face anymore because it's making me angry. Anyway, the SEC dismisses rumors of Gary Gensler resignation right here, and of course they did. But the US SEC right now reportedly denied rumors that Chairman Gary Gensler resigned from his position, according to a July 3 tweet shared by Fox Business Alan Tarrant right here. And again, fake news, Gary Gensler's resignation. Of course, they're keeping an eye on Twitter, which is interesting as well, yeah? Anyway, first mover advantage right here. Bitcoin. Sorry, guys. Prospective issuers rifle right here ETF applications. And Japan is a regulatory success story when it comes to the digital assets and Web3. But walking around with the recent IVS crypto conference in Kyoto, one can't help but feel that something is amiss. Anyway, guys, you've got Bitcoin continues to show upside potential right here, obviously with all of these ETF applications. And I'm going to get into that in a second as well. We're going to have a look at here now. Binance is, taking a bit of a beating, to be quite honest with you, and suffers a fresh blow as it loses a key banking partner. And Binance confirmed the news and stated that it would be changing its banking provider from euro deposits right here and withdrawals through the single euro payments area. And PaySafe Payment Solution, the European banking partner of Binance, announced on Thursday that it would no longer offer its embedded wallet solution to US cryptocurrency exchange across the European Economic Area. In an email to Reuters right here, PaySafe stated that they are working with Binance to implement a fair and orderly process to terminate this service over the next few months. I'm wondering, how Binance is going to go with all of this. They're actually taking a decent beating over the SEC lawsuit, to be quite honest with you. So we'll see what happens. I personally don't use Binance anymore because, again, they've just got no, leverage trading pretty much on their platform here in Australia, which is annoying. So, again, I don't use it. So I use OKX. Bullish. Now, moving on, we have Bitcoin right here could become explosive in July. Reminiscent to the November 2022 setup, says crypto analyst. This is interesting right here. And again, you've got Tech Dev tells his 413,000 Twitter followers, go follow me on Twitter, by the way. Thank you very much. You guys rock. That Bitcoin appears to be mirroring its November 2020 price action, though it remains to be seen if the same pattern plays out again. And according to the chart, Bitcoin has confirmed a breakout from the diagonal resistance after moving above it in January and retesting in March. It also shows that Bitcoin currently respecting a horizontal support after the crypto king bounced off the late last month. Looking at the RSI, I do use the RSI as well, the chart indicates that the momentum indicator crossed above its 14-month simple moving average. Retested right here support and moved up again. And the three signals also appeared in November 2020 before the Bitcoin rally from $10,000 to $60,000 US in a few months. And next, we'll find out if July 2023 equals November 2020 Bitcoin right here. Anyway, these institutions know what they're talking about. Now again, veteran trader Peter Brandt right here spots major breakouts on Litecoin. The halving is happening right there. There he is right there. And veteran trader Peter Brandt has spotted a major breakout for Litecoin and saw an impressive move on Friday as the price printed a huge daily candlestick. And the LTC price leaped from a low of $84 on June 30th to a high of $111. And the raise was sustained until Saturday as LTC made an intraday highs of $112.67 at the time of writing. Now again, it's very interesting right here, and he posted a screenshot of Litecoin USD daily chart depicting that Litecoin major move. The veteran trader specifically highlights the move past the $108 key level as important. Again, I'm still dollar cost averaging into Litecoin. This is a new addition in my portfolio, keeping that very clear. Now, we have Shiba Inu as well to burn trillions of SHIB tokens. And if that happens, things are going to get pretty crazy. And again, with the launch of Shiba Inu Shibarium, there will be never before seen burning mechanism that can burn trillions of SHIB. Is anyone actually holding Shiba Inu? Have a look at in the comments, guys. I want to see if anyone's actually holding Shiba Inu. I'm curious because I've been holding mine for a long time. In a groundbreaking development for the Shiba Inu meme coin, Shibarium, a highly anticipated project associated with popular SHIB token, is set to unveil a never-before-seen burning mechanism right here that promises to burn trillions of SHIB tokens. Lead developer of SHIB, Satoshi Kusama, confirmed the launch of Shibarium is already scheduled and cannot be altered, which is interesting, okay? I'm still holding my Shiba Inu. Now, of course, we've got not just BlackRock. These companies have also filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF as well, an exchange-traded fund, meaning that trillions of dollars will flow into this space. Now, of course, we've got BlackRock, renewed hopes of several US traditional finance firms. Here's a list of companies that resubmitted their applications. There's a lot of them. There is literally a lot of them right here. And of course, you've got the frenzy started after BlackRock, the world's biggest asset manager with over $9 trillion in assets under management right here, submitted the spot Bitcoin ETF filing to the SEC on June 15th, again, which is just nuts. Scrolling down, we have some companies right here. Now, shortly after BlackRock right here, which mentioned Coinbase Custody as its crypto custodian and BNY Mellon, which is huge, as its cash custodian, New York-based asset manager Wisdom Tree resubmitted its filing for approval on June 20th, which obviously the SEC previously rejected again, which is a bunch of BS anyway, to be quite honest with you. The firm Galaxy Digital initially filed a joint application in September 2021. Shortly after, financial services Valkyrie rejoined the queue. Valkyrie Bitcoin Fund, which is huge as well. Van Eck also filed again. And we've got ARK Invest also, which is waiting for their approval, as you can see right there, and Fidelity. Enormous. They're all just waiting to get their greedy hands on it, to be honest with you. Now, let's go to cryptometer.io. We've got money flowing into these following assets. Let me just refresh this. We've got XRP, Monero, Ethereum, Filecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin. We have the Graph, which is interesting, Algorand, Polkadot right here, Tron. What else have we got here, guys? I'm not talking about Ape, because I believe that's a security anyway, when you think about it. Anyway, Bored Ape Yacht Club. What happened to them? Is anyone actually holding their Bored Apes? I'm curious. Let's go to Twitter, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on there. Thank you to those 4,967 people. You guys absolutely rock. When I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, I will be giving this solid silver bull ring away. Here it is right here. Okay, can you all see that right now? Let me know in the comments below. That is legit. It is solid silver. You can see right there, because I'm bullish. And of course, my channel is the Wall Street Bull. There you go. Give it a kiss. There. Nice. Go subscribe to the channel, guys. You absolutely rock. Now, Mr. Crypto. When this Bitcoin weekly resistance breaks, the bull market is back. We are so close to this, it is not funny. All the indicators are pointing out that the bull market is back, and again, these institutions know what they're doing, to be quite honest with you. Anyway, XRP Crow, thank you for this tweet. The XRP ledger is decentralized because no organization or individual has any legal right or ability to control it. Have a listen to David Schwartz.
Is decentralized. The XRP ledger is decentralized because no organization or individual has any legal right or ability to control it. Every participant enforces every single rule, and the system is governed by all of its participants. The XRP ledger is
very,
decentralized.
very nice right there, guys. Can you see that? I hope you all can see that. That is David Schwartz right there, tweeting out, yes, we've got over 100 XRP from Jack the Rippler right here in the next couple of months right here. Let's see what happens with XRP. It's going to be very, very bullish. Using the XRP ledger with core accounting systems to send ISO 2022 payments right here, 222, sorry. Let's have a look at this right here.
Accounting in small and medium enterprises.
Have a listen.
It's about simplifying payments. I'd like to show you how we are able to integrate XRPL into existing financial accounting systems. First, I'm going to start with showing you a bit how it works today, how users in accounting in small and medium enterprises have to work, followed by a few words about ISO 20022 migration, which occurs worldwide. Afterwards, I show a tiny demo of my solution, 20022 format. But with my new component, we are able to just fetch these online payments from the ledger and transform them into regular ISO 20022 format. And that seemed to work. It creates a special file which we are able to import within the already known process for the user. And just can show, okay, we have received 5 Swiss francs again, and we can continue in my regular use process. That means, all in all, we can, from a sender side, send payments within our NUM process over the XRP ledger, and as a receiver, we can just use the ledger to receive all these payments and transform them into a format which my accounting software already understands. And it's about simplifying.
There you go. Anyway, interesting right there. That's a great video right here. Now, this is interesting right here. Now, thank you, 801 XRP. Beck right here, the head of the BIS Innovation Hub in Switzerland, speaking about the partnership between Switzerland and the BIS, the Bank of International Settlements, and Project Mariana, basically trying to build an automatic market maker for CBDCs, and hopefully that will help speed up and make cross-border payments a lot faster and cheaper. Have a listen to this. This is all XRP, by the way.
Where you can pay each other instantly. Also, since the pandemic, we have seen the spread of contactless payments throughout economies. But there's still one big remaining pain point in payments, and that's cross-border payments. And so recently, or a couple of years ago, the G20 decided that enough is enough and made it a high priority to actually improve cross-border payments, making them cheaper, faster, and more transparent. And so the BIS Innovation Hub is trying to do its part by trying to figure out where technology or innovation can move things forward. And we have a couple of projects where we are doing that.
Well, let's talk about one of the projects, which is a current project called Mariana, a joint proof of concept between Eurosystem, the BIS Innovation Hub, Bank of France, Monetary Authority of Singapore, and the Swiss National Bank. And the first results will be presented next week at Point Zero Forum in Zurich. What exactly we're examining there?
Well, so one of the big challenges in any solution to cross-border payments is how you convert from one currency to the other. Mariana is a super exciting project, and actually I think demonstrate why it's awesome to work in the Innovation Hub, in that we're working with the latest technologies, newest ideas in finance, and together with colleagues, great colleagues around the world. What Mariana is doing is really that it's looking to the future. So it envisions a future state of the world where central banks have issued central bank digital currencies, and then ask a very simple question of how you can actually convert from one currency to the other.
How do you do that?
Well, here we borrow from decentralized finance, or DeFi. And so in DeFi, when you want to go from one coin to another coin, you often use something called an automated market maker. And what we're trying to do in Project Mariana is to replicate this idea in a world with CBDC. So we're basically trying to build a automated market maker for central bank digital currencies. And hopefully that can then help speed up and make cross-border payments cheaper.
Great. Well,
very, very interesting right there. This is a long stream. We're at 52 minutes right now. This is the longest I've ever done. Anyway, Bitcoin hits $32,000 in the next 48 hours. Basically, yeah, he's going to give away 1,000. I don't believe that. Yes, that's the card today. This is actually it. which is really nice. And again, gotta dream big, ladies and gentlemen. You have to dream big. I think it was a really nice color as well. So I really do like this color. And the world's biggest Bitcoin ATM company, Bitcoin Depot, is to list on NASDAQ today. Let that one sink in for a moment, which is crazy. And just in, SEC dismisses rumors, of course. And we have Bitcoin Archive. And shout out to Bitcoin Archive for this chart. But the MACD just turned green on the monthly chart right now, signaling the start of the bull market. That is incredible. Cannot wait. We have the world's richest people right here. Elon Musk at number 1. Bernard Arnault right here at 200 billion. Jeff Bezos, 154 billion. Bill Gates, everyone's favorite. Anyway, Larry Ellison right here, 133. Steve Ballmer right here, 118. Warren Buffett is down, 115 billion, which is interesting. And Mark Zuckerberg, 104. Really needs to up his game with Facebook. Anyway, guys, moving on. We have Gary Gensler, short clip, and we're going to end up on this, and I'll get to the comments because there's a lot of them right here. Have a listen to our friend Gary Gensler.
XRP that in seconds it won't move as much, and the friction will be that you have to sell dollars to buy XRP, and then sell XRP to buy peso, or you can interpose any bridge currency. One of the most significant opportunities for stable value tokens that we'll talk about in a few classes is maybe as what we can call it as a bridge currency for cross-border.
Anyway, that's him teaching at MIT, more to the point. Crazy. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. And before I do, ladies and gentlemen, yes, these are my, I should say my bots set up in the Patreon. Again, I've got day trading going on, but again, some positions in DYDX. We have Axie as well, up 79% as well. Only a small amount in these bots at the moment because I've got most of it in the day trading. And again, everything is in the Patreon right here. You've got Monero up 2.5% again. Pepe is doing 13 USDT, 21%, which is just nice. I mean, I had a lot more capital in this. I'm, obviously day trading it. They'll be going quite well. Also right here again, 24% PNL right here on ARB. Arbitrum, we've got Ethereum, Perpetual Futures, CFX as well, just to give you an idea of what's going on in the Patreon. So that is linked below. CoinMarketCap today, we've got 1.2 trillion US dollars that is up, which is nice. $32 billion in volume right here. 49% BTC, and we also have 19.4% Ethereum. Would love to see XRP take over Ethereum. Again, that has happened before. 26,117 cryptocurrencies, which is wild. We have all of the altcoins again in my, obviously you can see right here, and again, I've got my watch list. My portfolio, as you can see, the top gainer is the graph. DGB, which has done nothing for years. ICP right here, we have AGIX. Again, we've got CKB, Solo, Loopring, and Phantom, some coins that I'm holding. And of course, where my main focus is the banking coins right here, which is where real money is going to be moving. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, AVAX, Chainlink, XLM, Hedera, Quant, ALGO, IOTA, XTC, Casper, LCX, and Nexra right there as well, the banking coins. Anyway, that is it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the comments right here. Let's have a look right now. Shout out Whitney right there. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I see your comments. Thank you very much, darling. Let's go right here. Let's scroll right to the top. Let's have a look. There's a lot right here, guys. Has Gary Gensler resigned? No, he has not. He's not going to be going anywhere right there. Not much substance supporting Gary Gensler reports. Yeah, okay, sadly. Well, I'm just putting it out there for a bit of fun. Let's have a look here. About to tie. Been waiting a while. You played in the Ferrari store. Yes, I did play in the Ferrari store today. That was beautiful. Some insane cars, ladies and gentlemen. We've got to think big. Just landed in the snowy mountains from Perth. What was I thinking? Freezing my kahunas off. That's hilarious. Safe travels there, by the way. Enjoy the snow. It'll be beautiful. Gary is I'm not going to say that now. London calling. Yes, Anthony from the UK. Hey, from the UK. Joe, what is this? Joe's nice and sunny in England. Yeah, can you send some sunshine here, guys, please? For those of you in those beautiful European sunshine or sunshines, send that sun and heat here, please. Turtlehead Gary, that's hilarious. Just a 65-year-old hater right here. Hi, Anthony. Do you still holding XPR Proton? Yes, I do hold XPR Proton. The username system is incredible as well. I do like that. It's so much better than a crypto wallet address. 7:15 a.m. Isn't it early, mate? It's 9:11 p.m. right here. Gold plus silver and crypto, way to go. Yeah, okay, that's fine. The only issue with gold is you've got to store it, like physical gold, unless you buy like an ETF as well. Why is my microphone over here? There we go. Loving the live, bro. Yeah, this is like 1 hour live stream. Pepe, yes, bullish right here. Jasmine Coin gonna do well. I'm not interested in that. You're the man, Wall Street Bull. Thank you, mate. Appreciate it right here. Good evening from eastern suburbs of Melbourne. How you going? G'day. Local. The only question is, how much XRP is enough? Well, you know, this is where greed comes into play, to be quite honest with you. And it's never enough. But anyway, I mean, anything you can afford, that's pretty much it. Let's have a look here. 100 XRP will be enough if the targets are hit at 10K. You'll be a millionaire. Yep, that's nothing wrong with that. Why do we have to look at here? That's Gary Gensler right there. Spooky, I'm from Pompeii. Really? Interesting. How is Pompeii? I haven't been there for a long time. David Schwartz said that XRP is designed for 10K per coin. So accumulate as much as you can afford right here and lose the intro. And you can afford to lose the intro. Lose the what? Sorry, IMO. Interesting. Sorry. Bro, what about Hedera Crypto? Very bullish on Hedera, HBAR. Let's have a look here. Rumor, as you say, it here does go away. It may end up with someone 100% against crypto. That's always going to be the case right here. There's a lot of Shiba Inu holders, guys. There is a lot in the comments right here. There is a lot. 400 million Shiba Inu. Wow, that's incredible. 500 million Shiba Inu. Wow. Wow, I don't even have 10% of that right here. No one can tell where the prices are going. Yeah, well, I think they're going to be going parabolic just from based on all the news that's going on at the moment, in case it's just right in front of our eyes. Hi from WA. How you going? What time is it there now? Isn't it like 2 hours difference or 3 hours? I can't remember. But good afternoon. Say XRP without saying XRP. No, I like XRP. I'll be definitely saying that right here. What does it mean for XLM? Which is basically a sister coin right here. Yes, it is it's basically a fork, which is essentially a copy of XRP. Jed McCaleb obviously was a founding partner in Ripple, I should say XRP. So it's pretty much the same thing as well. So again, I'm very bullish on XLM. XRP is for banks and CPB right here, and XLM is for P2P, person to person. Again, that's still bullish. Sol is crashing right now. Yeah, I'm going to be buying more of it right here. How old am I, Robin? I am 34 years old. So again, 35 this year. Very nice, in August. So there you go, on the 8th of August. Here's my birthday. What else have we got here, guys? New Zealand here. What's up, New Zealand? I haven't been there for a long time. I cannot wait to go skiing there again. It's incredible. Good morning from New Orleans. Good morning from New Orleans. Let's have a look here, guys. Tennessee in the house. How you going? How is Tennessee? I'd love to visit there one day. Let's have a look here. Do you still use your Alipor wallet, and what do you think wallets will support Casper? When? Sorry, I'm not entirely sure when Alipor will support that. Yes, I do still use mine as well. So much easier with a bigger I should say bloody. It's a bigger display. Anyway, you don't look 34 anymore. Well, thank you very much for that beautiful comment, mate. I appreciate that. This is what happens when you are staring at computer screens trading cryptos. Anyway, good morning from Cali. Good morning. I can see your comments. 7:13 p.m. in Western Australia. Very, very nice. Anyway, guys, I'm out of here. It's officially a 1 hour and 2 minute live stream. This is the longest live stream I've ever freaking done. How you going, Whitney? I see you right there. Okay, what else we got here? Good morning from Sweden. Washington, D.C. in the house. Friend of mine is actually a pilot in Washington, D.C. He's probably watching right now, so shout out to you, Dean. Hope you're well, mate. Baltimore, Maryland right here, 7:14 a.m. That's keen, watching crypto videos at 7:14 in the morning. I hope you've got a a coffee or something. What else we got here? I still use my Paul from Maryland right here. Love your show. Thank you. Say hi to Gucci. She's in bed. Should I go? No, I won't go and get her. She's sleeping right now. Show that ring one more time, please. Here you go. There it is. As you can tell, I love my big rings. Absolutely love it. There it is right there. If that camera focuses. There you go. That's it on the hand, guys. Have to be bullish always. Let's have a look here. What else we got? Good afternoon from Nigeria. How you going? Good afternoon. Lock Gary Gensler in prison. Yeah, that would be incredible as well. What else we got here? 43, 45 at the rainy days in Maine. Thank you for your time. North Carolina. G'day. Smith Street still busy. No idea. San Jose, California. How you going? Casper Dash Wallet. Casper. 4:15 here in Cali. That's unbelievable. You're up early. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. It's been a 1 hour and 3 minute stream. And South Africa, I do see you. So this has been a live stream. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'm out. I'm going to chill out now and watch some news. The financial markets are all opening at the moment. So again, I've got CNBC on. I'm going to chill out. Probably buy some dividend stocks, actually, because it's Monday, I should say. And that'll be going up the Patreon as well. Anyway, join up to the Patreon. It's a freaking bullish community. I can't keep explaining this to everyone. Again, I'm doing everything that I can that makes me money, literally while I sleep as well. So make sure you join up. It is linked below. All right, I want to see everybody on this live stream. 342 people. Come on, do it. Let's do it. Let's build a community here and make some cash. Anyway, this stuff right here. See this? This is what we're here for, ladies and gentlemen. And by the way, for those of you who are not in Australia, this is our $100 bill. Can you see that? It looks like freaking Monopoly money. There you go. That's what $100 looks like in Australia. All right, there you go. So that's what we're here for, and that's what I'm making while I'm sleeping in the Patreon. Anyway, I'm out, guys. Thanks very much. I will speak to everyone tomorrow, and I will keep everyone updated as well on Twitter. So make sure you join me on the Patreon. Follow me on social media, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. All right, guys. Stay safe. Have a good evening. Have a good day, morning. Make sure you have a coffee if it's the morning, especially if it's 4 a.m. You're completely nuts. That's incredible. I'd be sleeping. Anyway, Patreon is linked below, guys. Down below, you can access it, and it's all in the description, all right? So that's down below. Anyway, I'm out, guys. Ciao. Arrivederci. I can't even speak other languages, but thank you very much. I'm out, guys. Take care. I'll speak to everyone soon, all right? Peace out, guys. Bye.